Morning miss, can I help you son? 16 today, and up for fun. I'm a big boy now, or so they say, so if you'll serve I'll be on my way. Box of balloons with a feather-light touch, pack of party poppers that pop in the night. A toothbrush and hairspray, plastic windows, clay on the corners has just walked in. Welcome to the house of fun, now I've come of age. Welcome to the house of fun. Welcome to the lion's den, temptation's on his way. Welcome to the house of No, miss, you misunderstood. 16 big boy, full fight in my manhood. I'm up to date on the dates today, so if you serve I'll be on my way. Welcome to the house of fun, now I've come of age. Welcome to the lion's den, temptation's on his way. Welcome to the house of fun. I'm sorry son, but we don't stop. Party gimmicks in this shop. Try the house of fun, it's quicker if you run. This is a chemist, not a junkie shop. Party hats, simple enough, clear. Comprehend these and be understand, do you hear? A pack of party hats with the coloured tips. Too late, Google's her gossip. Well, hello Joe, hello Miss Clay, many happy returns from the day. Welcome to the house of